Hey there, this is Kushal and today we're gonna learn call stack and execution context. Let's get started. What happens when we run our JavaScript code? So, for example, if there is a code let a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20 and a function sum which returns addition of a and b. So, the first stage is the memory creation or the memory allocation phase. What happens in this phase is our global execution context takes each and every variables and function and allocates some memory. But the memory is not the actual property or actual value of the variable, but it defines a special symbol that is undefined. And in the case of function, it copies whole code and stores as it is in the global execution context. So as you can see on screen, let a is equal to undefined, b is equal to undefined and the function as it is. Now there is something known as call stack and our global execution context is then pushed inside the call stack and whole new execution context is created just for the function. Now for example, our function has variable v1 that is undefined, v2 that is undefined and add that is undefined. Here comes the next stage, that is code execution stage. Now here a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Here the actual value is assigned in the code execution stage. Same goes for the function. v1 is equal to 10, v2 is equal to 20 and our addition stores the actual value. Now for example, this is our call stack and if there is a function 1 and function 2 that is pushed inside the stack or that is called. But as the task of the function is finished or the function is written, our functions get popped out of the stack like function 2 and function 1. And after that our sum function who has written an value will be also popped out of the call stack. So that is it. Consider subscribing if you are new to this channel. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.